Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we'll solve this question, LeetCode 966, Vowel Spellchecker. Question, let me check the topics. It is based on hash table. Hash table concept is being used, but the problem statement is quite lengthy and confusing. So the main part of the problem statement is understanding it and understanding all the conditions and all the order of those conditions. So let's have a look on understanding the problem statement. See, first of all, given a word list is given to us and we want to implement a spell checker that converts the word into a correct word for a given query word. Okay, see, first of all, a word list is given to us and these are just query word. So when a query word is given to us, I will pick that query and I will do something and I have to return the processed or the answer to that query. So if a query word, the spell checker handles two categories of the spelling mistakes. First one is capitalization. If the query matches the word in the word list in case insensitive manner, it means cases can be anything. Then the query word is returned with the same case as in the case in word list. Okay. So first line, this line is saying that you will be able to understand it better later on when I will just explain you with the help of an example. But for now, we just have to read it throughout the problem statement. Query word. I'm picking a query word, and if it is matching with any of the word from the word list in a case insensitive manner, then word should be returned. So the examples are also given. If the yellow is there and query is yellow and query is matching with the word, then this yellow word is being returned. And if the word list is containing yellow and it is YELLOW, both are same. Both are exactly same. See, if it is case insensitive means it can be of the same case or opposite case. So in the third case, YELLOW, these are also same. So correct. Why these examples are useless? Okay, let's come to the next condition, vowel error. If after replacing the vowels A, E, I, O, U of the query word with any vowel individually, it matches the word in the word list. Okay, what they are saying is that pick the query word and we have to replace vowels with any other vowel. And after that, it is matching with any of the word in the word list in case insensitive manner. Then it is also a matching. In that case, we can return the word from the word list. Then query word is returned with the same case as the match in the word list. Okay, so this is another case. These two important cases are given to us. And after that, they are saying that spell checker operate under the following precedence rules. When the query exactly matches a word in the word list, case insensitive, you should return the same word back. Okay, that is one thing. When the query matches a word up to capitalization, you should return the first such match in the word list. So maybe let's say our word is KITE and KITE also there. And if K capital ITE is also there, then whoever is the first match, we have to return that. When the query matches the word up to vowel error, you should return the first such match in the word list. And if there is no match in the word list, return an empty string. So this is all about the problem statement. Let's have a look on the example now. It's a bit confusing. So I'm just going to pick this example and let's work on it. So here, these are my word list and these are the queries. So first of all, I will just pick one word and I will see if this word is matching as it is with any of the word here in this. When the query exactly matches a word in the word list, you should return the word back. Just return the word, because if it is it is exactly matching. So that is the first condition, when it is an exact match. So what is the second condition? When the query matches a word up to capitalization, you should return the first search match in the word list. Okay, so in that case, see, first one, what they are saying is exact match. If it is an exact match, just return the word. Otherwise, ignore the case and then try to match. And after that, if I try to match and whatever is the first word I'm getting, I'm just going to return that word. It means that this KITE is going to be compared to every single word without case handling, without the condition of handling the case. It means if I just make all the words lowercase, we can easily do that. It means it is automatically like no case sensitiveness. Ignore case. When I'm ignoring case and then I'm matching with the word list, whatever is the first word, I have to return that. So kite will be matched to this word first, because kite is also matching to this word. Exact match, this should return, but if this word is not present, then KITE should be returned from this function, for this query. Okay, that is the second case. Third case is if the query matches a word up to vowel error, you should return the first such matching word in the word list. Okay, so what is this vowel case? This vowel case is that in the query word, we can replace any vowel with any another vowel. And after that, match it to the word list, case insensitive way, and then return the query word. So let's say that query word is KITE and word list is going to have KETE. So here I is a vowel and E is a vowel. So if these two are vowels, we can replace them. We can replace them to anything. If we can replace them to anything, let's say we are replacing them to star value. So it will become K star TE, K star TE. And after that, these two, if they are matching without taking cases nature, whether it is a capital case or lowercase, case insensitive matching should be done between these two, and if they are matching, we can return the word within this list word we have to return. There are three cases. Vowel case. Okay, these three cases we need to handle. So let me iterate over them again and again. We have a lot of queries. We are going to pick every single word within the query, and then I will do a couple of things. First one is whether this word is matching with any of the word in the word list. So first of all, to do the exact matching, what I need is I want to be able to check it in a constant time in a set. So all the word list should be available in a word set so that I can do the exact matching. If exact matching is done, return that exact word, because query and word both are same in this case. That is exact matching. What is ignore case? See, ignore case is that if exact matching is not there, it means that the query is KITE and the word list is going to have cases like this: KI capital TE and KOOP. As I'm just adding some kind of word. So this kite is not exactly available in this word list. So first case is not true. So I will go as per the precedence. So these are the precedence rules. So we have to go top to bottom like this. So kite does not present as it is. Now I will see whether the kite is present without taking cases into picture. It means if I do something like this, taking every single word in a small case, lowercase, and then I will maintain some kind of set, hash table, I can directly check whether the lowercase of the query exists or not. So what I will do is q dot lowercase. whether the lowercase of query exists in the hash table or not. But if it exists, in that case, we don't have to return the lowercase. We have to return the exact cases which are available in this word list. So for that, it is not just a set, it is a map. Lowercase value should be exact value in the original map. So what I have to do is, for the first one, what we need is, we just need a set. And for the second one, we need a map of string, comma string, and string is lowercase and string is original word, so that this case I can handle, this check I can handle in a constant time. And what about the third one? Third one is that vowels can be replaced. If vowels can be replaced, I'm going to replace them in such a way that both are same. If it is I, if it is E, I will replace it to star. Let's say I have replaced every single word in the word list where I have replaced every vowel to star. So it is kite. So let's say word list is K-I-T-E. And let's say it is RAM. So it is a word list and the query is K-E-T-E. Let's keep this T small case. So this is the query. First one is exact match. No, that is not happening. Second one is ignoring the case match. If I ignore the case, then it is also not matching. After that, ignore the vowels match. This is E, make it a star. This is E, make it a star. This is I, make it a star. This is E, make it a star. After ignoring the vowels, it became K star, T star, K star, capital T star, and then compare with lower cases. Ignore the cases, but they will match, and the third is matching. And after that, we have to return the actual value of word in the word list. So is again in this case, we'll have to use some kind of map. A map where I'm going to have a string, and this is a string where I have ignored vowels and ignored case as well, and this is the actual value. So these maps are required. This map is very important, this map is very important, and for the first case the set is very important. So in such a way, after you are able to take benefit of these maps, then this problem is simple. Okay, and every single time we are just processing it. To process the map, we take a linear time, and for every single query we are taking constant time. So it is O1 per query. So before processing every single query, we are going to go some kind of processing. Pre-processing is transferring word list to set. Second, making them to lowercase, and then maintaining a map, ignoring all the vowels and replacing all the vowels with maybe let's say star or dollar, then maintaining a map, and after that, every single query we are going to get answer in a constant time. So this is all about the problem statement, and let me show you the code. So here, first of all, we have three cases. First one, if it is an exact match and there is a precedence in this matching as given in this case, 3 matches, and if there is no match, return empty string. First one is if it is an exact match. For exact match, I am using a set of all the words given in the word list. Okay, that is pretty simple. If word are present in the set, just return it. After that, case insensitive map, we are maintaining map. This is lowercase, keeping the word lowercase and then keeping the original word. Why I'm keeping the original word? Because as a part of return statement, I want only the original one. I want only the one which is available in my word list. So this is another map. And the third map is a map of string and string where vowels are masked. Vowels are replaced with some star and all. So these three maps are ready. Then I can get to the answer. Okay. So first one is already prepared. at this level. Second, third will be prepared at this level. Firstly, we are not concerned about the case, so take it a lowercase. So whatever word we are getting, convert it to the lowercase, and after that mask the vowels. So converting to lowercase and the actual word will go to the case insensitive map, and converting to the lowercase after masking will go to the mask map. So now we have this map ready, and then every single query I'm going to process, and we have 4 cases as given in this case. First one is exact match, just return it, just get the answer. After that, case insensitive, we got the answer. If not, vowel masking, after the vowel masking I'm getting the answer, otherwise the default one is empty string. So this is how this code is running, and I hope you understood the code. The problem statement itself is very confusing here, and just spend some time, around 10 minutes, understanding the problem statement, and you will get better understanding on what exactly we have to do. And as per the concept point of view, we just need to know the hash table idea of like how we can take benefit of hash table on searching any single query in any single entry in a constant time, and as per that query, what was the exact value of that word in the word list. So I hope you have understood it, and still if you have any doubt, you can comment down below or discuss in the Discord community. I will be available there, and thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.